Hi, I'm Becky, nail technician for Very. Today I'm showing you how to shake up your nail art with this summery cocktail design. Here's the recipe for rocking this look. To prep your nails and protect them from staining, you always want to apply a base coat first. Next, use a yellow polish to paint your nails. Wait for this to dry and then add a second coat. Once dry, mask around your nails with Scotch tape to make sure no polish gets onto your skin. Now for the arty part. Using pink, orange and yellow tones, paint stripes onto a makeup sponge. Use a light tapping motion to sponge the colours onto your nail and repeat this until you've got a nice even finish. Remove the Scotch tape, clean up around the edges and apply a top coat. Then finish with dry drops and voila, cheers to this statement nail art look.